my channel. I am Paramjeet, a professional makeup artist, and I am back with another exciting video. One of my viewers has requested for an easy party makeup look with simple products, and I created this look using under 10 products. So if you are interested in creating this look for yourself, keep watching. We begin with a fresh face which has been cleansed, toned and moisturized. So I apply the first product, which is a primer. I am applying a base primer and pore minimizer from Glamm and apply it directly with my fingers. Since I am not going to be applying a separate eyeshadow base, I used my face primer directly on my eyes as well. Now we apply our second product, which is the foundation. I am going to apply a MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. My shade is NC42. Please pick a shade which is closest to your skin tone. I am going to spread the foundation with my fingers. Since I am not planning to use the concealer today, I am going to use a little extra of the foundation in the places where I need concealing. The third product that we would be applying on our face is a powder. I am going to use a MAC Pro Longwear pressed powder. I am in the shade medium dark. You can use a brush or a sponge to apply. I am using a brush and first covering my under eyes and then sides of my nose and around my mouth and forehead. The reason why we first powder our T-zone is because these are the areas which secrete more oil. My face is oily, so I need powder for the rest of my face. If you have dry skin, you can completely skip applying the powder on the whole face and just do the T-zone. Once we are done with the base, we will move on to the eye makeup. So for that, I am picking my fourth product, which is an eyeshadow palette from Sephora called Vivid Earth. I picked this particular palette because, have a look at the shades. This has a few brown shades and then a few shimmery shades and one bright color. So I can use this palette to do a lot of things in my eye look. Now, from the same palette, I am going to pick the brown color here and I am going to use a blending brush and I am going to place it on the crease of my eye. I'm going to place a little extra product with the same round shape on the corners to intensify the eyes. So now, to brighten the eyes, I'm going to use a little shimmer. So I'm using this color. With my finger, I'm going to pick it up, a little of the product, and apply on my eyeball directly. The eyeshadow is done, and now we can do the liquid eyeliner. I am not a big fan of liquid eyeliners, so I use an eye pencil. So I'm going for magnetic eyes from faces, and first I'm going to line my lower lash line because I like that kajal filled eyes. For the upper lid, I am going to use the same pencil to create a line first and then smudge it out a bit. Time now to move to the sixth product, which is a mascara. I am using Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Mascara. Removing the excess. Step is to apply a blusher, but instead of going for a separate blusher, I am going to use a matte lipstick. Now the only step left is the lipstick, so I am using the same shade of lipstick. This is the completed look. And now you know that you do not need 1000 products to achieve this look. In fact, you can achieve this with just 7 products. Do try this at home and let me know how it turned out. And if you like this video, share it with your friends and consider subscribing to my channel and turning that notification button on. Thank you for watching this video and consider following me on Instagram @paramhensi to have a look at my professional work. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.